Hi, you guys. My name is Shantae Holiday, and today we are going over what is inside the how to master budgeting and structuring your business course so that you, the educator, can be fully aware of what to expect and what to. Sometimes you're learning new things in your own course, right? Sometimes you're just solely educating your client and you already know everything that's inside of it. Either way, I'm proud of you for wanting to invest in your community and really help that next generation coming up to begin with. So without further ado, today we are going to be going over the modules, the lessons, so that you have a heads up. So I'm going to share my screen here and we are going to go over them together. So let me go ahead and share the screen. Alrighty, so the How to Master Budgeting and Structure New Business course, right? So here you'll see we have the course curriculum. I'm going to zoom in so that way we can both see it as crystal clear as possible. So the very first module goes over the introduction overview and the course objectives. So that's basically laying down the foundation, welcoming your student into your class, basically just setting up, hey, I'm happy you're here. I'm grateful you decided to invest in my school out of anyone else you could have went to ask for assistance. And let's go ahead and continue kind of thing there, right? Now, in the beginning, if you want to, when you're adding new things to your course, when you're editing, you can ask for the testimonial up front right then and there. Now, module 2 covers your module objectives, of course. Lesson 1, business plan. Lesson 2, the legal business structure. And lesson 3, which is the business module, okay? Now, module 3 is going to cover, of course, every module has module objectives, right? So module 3 is going to cover the niche strategy and niche market, all right? Module 4 will be covering the business budget and the business planning cycle and the budget to measure performance. It's kind of like almost how when you go on Google Maps, right? And you have to put in where you want to go in order to get directions on how to get there. Well, when you make a budget to measure strategy, things of that nature, that's basically what's happening, right? Any sort of strategy, marketing plan, business plan is trying to route you out to where you want to go so that you can have a clear vision, a clear path. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see module 5. Module 5 is the module objectives. Lesson 1 is the budgeted income statement. Module 5, lesson 1, there you go, budgeted income statement. Lesson 2 is preparing the budgeted income statement, how to prepare it. Before the lesson prior is what is it? And then lesson 3 is going over spend management, since that's so critical. Some of us have a wealth of money opportunities around us, but if we don't know how to cultivate it and really manage our money, manage our spending, form those healthy habits, then we'll be right back to square one, right? So I feel like that's so critical. Courses like this, I feel, are really good for people that are brand new business owners, new sales agents, sometimes even for clients, maybe with high schoolers or seniors of high schools about going to college, and we don't always have the answer as parents. So sometimes having a course or something else that the child can easily digest and start that conversation is really, really helpful. I know my son is 3 years old now, but as he gets older and things like that, I want to be able to have the necessary resources to kind of have those conversations to make it as easy as possible. But yeah, you guys, and finally, the final module is the congratulations module. It's congratulating them on taking the course, taking their time, taking notes, investing energy, and really investing in your brand, right? This course would be in your university. So your students would be able to sign up for a lifetime. Now, if you did have any questions, whether it be marketing strategies for your business, any marketing questions, business related questions, advice, things of that nature, we have that option up in our store as a service that I have available to you. If you just want a consultation on, we have a plethora of course in a box course options available. So if you just need a consultation on which course will be best for my business, or you had questions about, of course, things of that nature, you can always book a consultation call, and those are for free. So feel free to let me know what you think. If you were able to watch this on one of our social media platforms, go ahead and comment down below if you watched it live or the replay. I would love to hear that and stuff there. So thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Talk to you next time.